Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll and tap on notifications and control center. Now let's go to the very bottom of the list and tap on status bar, and here we've got the battery indicator. And as you can see here, we've got three different options. Obviously right now we've got only the battery icon applied, but we can set the percentage inside the battery icon or outside, right next to the battery icon. So depending which option is better for you, simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.